Hello and welcome to South Coast Level Crossings, and we are here at Wellowgate Level Crossing in Grimsby, and we've got a couple of trains here. First one, quite quick, off the mark. We've got a East Midland Railway service to, it looks like, Barton-on-Humber, and we've got a 530, sorry. There's someone in a red car turning around behind me. They can't be bothered to wait any longer. However, we do have another train coming, and I believe this will be 1 Zulu 52, and it's a Hanson and Hall. Let's not break the telephone. Hanson and Hall Railtour service coming from Barton-on-Humber, going to Cleethorpes, and then it will turn into 1 Zulu 53 and go back to Finsbury Park in North London. And there's another car turning around behind me, obviously not wanting to see the special train is about to pass through. It's a hybrid taxi, so there's no surprise there. Also, these alarms are deafening. I'm stood underneath one right now and rather deaf now. There's a reversing Mercedes. It's all going on behind me. Reversing Mercedes and turning around taxis. And the alarms are quite loud here, so I'm somewhat deaf. And the train should be here anytime soon. Last I checked, it was around the corner, and you can see some people who are here already, and also to film and see the train coming. So what this train has done is it come up from Finsbury Park in North London, went to Cleethorpes, departed Cleethorpes again at about 12:30, went to Barton-on-Humber, and then left Barton-on-Humber and did a loop around Grimsby and around the light railway, past Pyewipe Road, and it's gone through Greatcoats, and it sounds like it's approaching me from behind now, back to Cleethorpes. Ooh, don't want to unlock the doors there. Obviously, this is a long train, long 9-coach train, so the people to my left are having a good idea to go and use the bridge instead. 9-coach train obviously has stopped here on the crossing for Garden Street crossing to go down, so hopefully that shouldn't be too long. I hear the air in the brakes releasing now, so 50s at the front and the 37 at the back will be giving it a almighty shove out the station. There it is. Okay, now we now wait for the second part of the video, which is guessing when the crossing will raise up and the barriers will open. All day today it's been taking quite a while. I don't know whether the automatic raise feature has broken, but obviously the train has since departed and the barriers are not opening. And I've seen this all day today, how the fact that these barriers are not opening. I don't know whether someone in York is manually opening them, but we got away. So yeah, unless you want to have many minutes of not seeing anything, yeah, I could see in the distance that Gardner Street crossing has now opened, but this one has not. And I know someone who's a popular car-based YouTuber will probably be doing his nutting at the moment by the fact that barriers are still doing down and putting pictures all over the screen of how long we're waiting for. But at the moment I guess it's some sort of technical problem here with the barriers not going back up again, going back up again. So instead you can hear me rambling on and the seagulls in the background. On this already, oh, is it 7-minute long video? Wow, I didn't even realise that. How? Oh, there you go. Well, thank you for watching South Coast Level Crossings. Hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you in the next one. And goodbye.